This video will demonstrate how to use the new UPS Services Mapping feature. Services mapping is useful if you have multiple shipping methods in Shopify and you want to map them to different UPS shipping services. This feature can be configured by navigating to Account. Then select UPS Services Mapping. The shipping methods displayed are based on the shipping methods defined on Shopify for the orders that you have imported. For example, you can define that for free shipping, the UPS standard option should be used by default. Or you can define, for example, the Germany same-day shipping method in Shopify, to use UPS Worldwide Saver. Save the changes and you can now see if the mapping happens automatically. Let's search for an order. The filter feature is pretty helpful for this. Enter the order number, click Apply, and you will see the order that you want to ship to. The order details show that the shipping method, free shipping, was set on Shopify. Based on the mapping configured, the UPS standard option should be mapped to this selection. Once you create the shipping label and get to the shipping label screen, you will find that the UPS standard service is selected. If you would like to update this, you can also do this by simply going back to UPS Services Mapping. For example, if instead of UPS Standard, you would prefer UPS Express, you can save this change. Go back to the Orders screen and select the same order for comparison. If you create a shipping label, it should no longer default to UPS Standard anymore, but to the newly mapped UPS Express. And that is the new UPS Services Mapping feature.